Our friend from Juneau. See, how you say hi to?
Welcome to Hawaii!
No, this is a
Welcome to Alaska!
Alaska. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Alaska. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
This is
All right,
Hawaii.
right.
Okay, this is Hawaii. Person Harbor. How far is that?
Ito yung harbor nila. May mga maliliit na mga island. Magagandang bahay doon. Kita mo. Dami ding wildlife. Siguro dito yung otter. Tsaka ito yung napakagandang bukid nila. Ayan. Maganda. Ito. Yan. Daming mga wild ducks. Ibang klase yung mga wild ducks nila dito. Kulay puti. Yan. May mga islands din dito. Ito pa rin ito sa Sitka, Alaska. Kikita mo diyan. Yan. Wild ducks. Iba din yung kulay ng wild ducks dito.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Tsaka yan.
Okay, or can you take a picture of us too?
Got it.
Ito yung Sitka, Alaska. Dami nilang mga pool, historical pool. Kasi ito yung mga paraan nila na makapag-communicate sa ibang tao. Tsaka maganda din dito kasi dyan, yan na yung dagat nila. Tsaka ang daming mga, kasi yung mga original dito is mga Tringler. Ano paano yung mag-pronounce, pero mga natibo dito sa Sitka, Alaska, mga original. Tsaka kuwan sila ng mga Russians, fight back sila yung mga natibo.
That White House over there. That was built in 1972. Before that, it was all shore boats that took passengers, but no cars at all. It was a passenger-only ferry system. So they built the bridge, and it was the first cable-stayed bridge in the United States back then. And it was basically they expected more. They kind of enlarged the airport, and they expected more air traffic coming in, so they footed the bill for a bridge. Wall. And it was to protect the church from wave action. So this was, as Amy said, it was known as Governor's Walk, right here going to town. And this was the sandy beach. Crescent Harbor, we have 5 harbors here in town. Excuse me. This is it's not the oldest and it's not the newest harbor at all here. But anyway, it was a sandy beach. So then in 1905, they built the parish house that sits behind it, and that's called the Sea House back there. The stained glass window that you see, excuse me, the stained glass window that you see, story about that one is when they were building it, they had ordered them from a glass company back on the East Coast. It wasn't Chipneys, I would have remembered that. But, there was a company like it. They had ordered it, eagerly awaiting its arrival, building this church, saving that open space. Box arrives, they open it up.
It's
Wrong
in pieces.
window.
It was what?
Wrong window. Look at the center.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
There
a
is
Star
a
of David.
synagogue. True story. There is a synagogue
that's
that
funny.
has St.
Get a shot
Peter's
of that.
original window somewhere
Oh
along
my
the line.
goodness.
Everything had to go around Cape Horn back then. There was no Alaska Airlines. There was no FedEx, UPS. And so there was, and I'm sure they probably could have figured out a way of getting it back and returning it, but they really didn't. It would have taken so much time, to find it. have one rebuilt, and they were eagerly waiting to get it.
So they have services there Sunday morning and Friday evening.
So there you go. True story.
Napakaganda yung view dito sa Alaska. At napakaswerte natin kasi meron tayong maka-chance tayo na walang ulan at saka mainit ang panahon. Hindi siya mainit, malamig ang panahon, pero na may araw tayo ngayon. So napakaganda. Ito yung hiking trail ng Hoonah, Alaska, Icy Point, private owned island, isa sa mga island dito. Dami palang activities dito, tingnan mo, may mga trail sila, children's activity, may mga tao din na naglalakad dito. Yan, maganda. Tsaka ganda yung pagkagawa nila ng mga adventure. So dito makikita mo ang nature if you're a nature lover. Ganda ito na lakad-lakaran para kuhan mo dito. Yan, dami. Maganda pagkagawa.
Look at that gash on his back. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from how we were Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Is that big as mountain? Look at you. So he's probably
There, another one.
right under us.
Sa loob ng visitor center ng Ketchikan, Alaska. So, ito yung mga decoration nila dito. Ayan. Daming mga decoration nila. Tsaka may welcome sign dito. Ayan. Welcome to the meal of work. Tsaka dito mga decoration, pinaka popular dito yung totem. Ito yung Saxman's Village. Parang ito yung pinaka native people here in Alaska. Ito yung bahay nila. Ito yung mga tourist dito. Ito yung mga turista na dito. Napakarami. Bisita. Ito yung mga totem posts. Yan. Ito yung ito, napakaganda kasi pagpang sila sa dito yung sa loob. Ito yung downtown ng Ketchikan. Dito may mga shopping center dito. Dito tayo. Yan. Christmas in Alaska. Ito yung pinaka downtown Alaska. So marami ding yan, may beer. May mga beers dyan. Ketchikan mining. Ito yung downtown Ketchikan. Ito yung mga tourist nila dito. Ito yung pinakadagat nila.